Introducing MagSafe for iPhone. It's a new way to charge your phone that uses magnets to snap your phone into place. This is built into iPhone 12s and later, so you probably already have it. With MagSafe, you don't have to worry about lining up your charging cable with the charging port on your phone. You simply place your phone on the MagSafe charger and the magnets will automatically align it for you. Plus, MagSafe supports a ton of other accessories like wallets and mounts that snap your phone using the same magnets. It's the future of iPhone charging and accessorizing made easy, and we are very excited for it. MagSafe for iPhone is all about making your life easier. With this ring of magnets, you no longer have to fiddle with plugging cables in or worry about finding the perfect alignment like on a normal wireless charger. Whether you're halfway asleep, trying to charge your phone after some late night scrolling, or catching up on a YouTube video while you're at work, MagSafe makes it easier. You can simply snap your phone onto the charger and the magnets will do the rest. It's not just convenient and easy to use, it's also super fast. With MagSafe, your phone can charge up to 15 watts, which is up to 2 times faster than standard wireless chargers, and up to 3 times faster than your old USB-A charging brick. That means you can reach 100% battery in a fraction of the time. MagSafe's lightning speed combined with its ease of use make it the ultimate charging solution for your iPhone. At Nomad, we believe in finding the perfect balance between form and function. Our line of MagSafe chargers, including Stand 1, Base 1, and Base 1 Max, embodies that philosophy. These chargers are the perfect blend of sleek design and innovative technology, all wrapped in world-class materials that are built to last. Whether you need a practical stand for your desk, or a stylish charging station for your nightstand, we've got you covered. Experience the ultimate charging solution with Nomad's MagSafe wireless chargers.